Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to Smart Stock Metrics, where we make investing super chill and easy, like explaining it to my little bro who's just starting out. Today we're talking about the top 5 share trading platforms in Australia for 2025. If you're a total newbie, thinking shares, what's that? Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Buying shares is like owning a tiny piece of a cool company, like buying a slice of Fortnite or McDonald's. It's like being a part business owner, and you get the financial benefits to go with it. But hey, a quick heads up. This is general advice, not financial advice. This isn't advice specifically for you. I keep it general in nature. Do your homework or talk to a grown-up advisor before jumping in. Markets go up and down, like a roller coaster. Exciting but can be bumpy. We'll chat about what each app is like, how much it costs to buy or sell shares. That's called fees or brokerage. How popular they are from reviews and awards, and cool features like making lists of stocks to watch, or screening tools to find good ones. At the end, we will compare them so you can pick what's best for you. Maybe something cheap for small buys, or one with fancy tools if you're getting serious. From recent awards like Finder, CanStar, and Mozo in 2025. Plus, what people say on Trustpilot and Reddit. My top picks are 1. CMC Markets, a super all-rounder. 2. CommSec, the big reliable one. 3. SelfWealth, the budget flat fee champ. 4. Stake, fun for young peeps and US stocks. And 5. Superhero, an easy starter for tiny investments. Let's dive in. No boring jargon. Number 1. CMC Markets. Okay, kicking off with the winner, CMC Markets. It's like the MVP of trading apps in 2025. Finder named it the best overall platform for the 5th year in a row, and it won Mozo Awards for casual, regular, and active traders, plus People's Choice for great service and info. Think of it as your all-in-one app for Aussie shares on the ASX and over 45,000 stocks worldwide, like in the US, UK, and more. Perfect if you want to mix it up beyond just local stuff. Fees, super newbie friendly. You get $0 brokerage, that's the fee to buy, on your first buy each day for any ASX stock up to $1,000. Like grabbing a small pizza for free. After that, it's $11 or 0.10% of what you buy, whichever is bigger. Selling is the same. How popular? Tons of fans, 4.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and Reddit calls it the best for most people, cause it's cheap and easy. Over 1 million users love the smooth app and quick help. Features for beginners, you can make watch lists. It's like a favorites list on Spotify, but for stocks, to keep an eye on prices. Stock screening, yep, search by easy stuff like price, or what the company does. Kinda like filtering your favorite songs. You can filter stocks based on all the common metrics used to find value stocks. The app has cool charts with fun indicators, news from big sources like Reuters, and even a demo mode to practice without real money. It's CHESS-sponsored, a fancy way of saying you own your Aussie shares directly, safe and yours. Plus, free lessons and alerts on your phone. If you're trading a bit each month and want tools that grow with you, CMC is your jam. Number 2. CommSec. Next, the classic CommSec from the Commonwealth Bank. It's like the reliable big brother everyone's heard of. With over 1 million users, especially if you bank with CommBank already, you get ASX shares, ETFs, and even international stuff through their global account. Fees are a bit old school, $5 for online buys up to $1,000, but usually $10 to $20 after promos. For $1,000 to $10,000 trades, it's about $20 or 0.12% of the trade value. No free intro like CMC, and for us trades, add 0.55% FX plus $25 to $45 swap fee for US dollars. It's okay if you bundle with your bank, but pricier for lots of small trades. Popularity, huge. Most trusted name down under, 4.5 out of 5 on apps. But Reddit says fees are meh compared to new apps. CanStar loves its research. Great for families. Features, awesome for newbies. Make watch lists with up to 50 stocks. Easy screening by basics like sector or price. Tons of free research, daily tips, expert picks, and CBA tools. The app's got fingerprint login and even voice commands. CHESS-sponsored for safety. Plus, Pocket app for tiny ETF invests, and free lessons. If you want something solid and bank-linked, CommSec's cool. Number 3. Now, the flat fee hero, SelfWealth. It's for chill, long-term holders who hate surprise costs. Focuses on ASX and US shares. Simple vibes. Fees, just $9.50 flat per ASX trade. Buy or sell, any size. For United States, same $9.50 plus 0.60% FX, about 1% total. No inactivity junk. And ETFs included. Way cheaper for big trades over $1,000 than percentage-based fees. Popularity, 4.3 out of 5 on reviews. Award winner for value. Reddit digs the no fuss, but the app's a bit old school, but growing fast with DIY fans. Features, easy watch lists, Great screener for 20+ filters like growth or dividends, like a shopping app for stocks. Basic charts, news, and community votes on buys. Clean app, Chess-sponsored auto-invest for ETFs and performance tracker. No fancy margin stuff. Keeps it simple. Perfect if you're saving steadily on a budget. Number 4. Stake. Stakes, the fun one for Gen Z, mobile first, with fractional shares so you can own part of Tesla for $50. Great for USA and ASX investors. Fees for ASX and USA stocks is a flat $3, up to $30,000 trade value. There is a 0.55% FX fee for swapping US dollars. Not bad. Popularity, 4.4 out of 5 app rating. Viral on Insta for easy setup. 4.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot, but some say support's kinda slow. Hot for under 30s with Stake Black perks. Features, watch lists with alerts. Basic filters by sector. Yahoo News, earnings calendar, gamified app with sharing. Chess for ASX, fractions for USA. Extras, tax perks, crypto links, podcasts, no deep charts, but quick trades. If you want easy US fun, Stake rocks. Number 5. Superhero. Last but awesome for starters, Superhero. Invest from $10 on ASX or USA, with auto buys for steady growth. Fees crazy low, $2 flat for ASX up to $20,000, then 0.01% on trade value, $2 for USA, with 0.2% FX. Cheapest around, no account fees, perfect for rare trades. Popularity, Mozo's 2025 casual winner, and 4 out of 5 on Trustpilot. 100,000 plus users love the fees, but some glitches noted. Rising user base for newbies. Features, basic watch lists, simple filters, light news, in-app, mobile first with PEID, Chess sponsored for ASX stocks. Cool, auto invest settings, insights. No professional tools, but easy peasy. Comparisons in which to pick. Time to compare. For a $5,000 ASX trade, Superhero $2, Stake $3, Self-Wealth $9.50, CMC $11, ComSec $20. Superhero and Stake win for small stuff, Self-Wealth for big ones. For USA, Superhero's 0.2% FX is cheapest. Popularity, ComSec's massive, millions, CMC tops reviews, 4.2 plus. Stake or Superhero for young vibes, Self-Wealth for savers. For features, ComSec and CMC have pro screeners, tons of filters and reports. Self-Wealth, good basics. Stake and Superhero are thin on additional tools. All apps have watch lists. Stake, Self-Wealth, CMC, ComSec are Chess sponsored on the ASX, whereas Superhero is custodial. Not quite as ideal for education. ComSec and CMC are the best for newbies in minimal research. Superhero or Stake for mature regular trades and research. CMC and ComSec, Super Saver. Self-Wealth. Boom, that's the top 5 for 2025. Which app sounds like your vibe? Comment below, smash like if this helped, and sub for more easy investing tips. Remember, start small and learn as you go. Buy to hold long term. Don't do in and out short term trading. Invest smart, stay awesome, and I shall see you in another video on YouTube.